Pikasola wind turbine generator kit 400W 12V with 5-blade wind generator kit with charge controller, wind power generator for marine, RV, home, windmill generator suit for hybrid solar wind system. Feature: starting with 2.5 meters per second low wind speed, low vibration during working, high wind energy efficiency. Wind turbine kit suitable for boat, RV, cabin, home, etc. Wind blade, 23.8 inch in length, the longer blade will generate more power. The blades are made of nylon carbon fiber which special on waterproof, corrosion resistant, lightweight. Wind generator, 3-phase permanent magnet synchronous motor. Efficient and compact act generator with high-performance NdFeB permanent magnet. Rotating aluminum alloy body with yaw adjustment system. The wind direction position is automatically read and the rotor position is adjusted to capture the maximum wind energy. The tail fin is designed according to the aerodynamic principle. Real parameter, not false. Our product parameters are real and actual, not false. Based on designed after repeated experimental testing. PLS remember to contact us if you have any questions after received wind turbine. We should take charge of our product.